Hey crypto family, hope you all doing good today. So a video that's been getting a lot of traction recently is by Anonymous, and they're targeting Elon Musk. For those who don't know who Anonymous is, they're an anonymous hacker organization claiming to fight for the good of the people. And what they do is they uncover the truth for a lot of controversial things, whether it's involving the government or big figures, and basically just uncover the truth and try to expose any lies that are happening. And recently, they've been under the radar for a while, but they recently resurfaced and they released a video targeting Elon Musk. And this video is actually, a lot of people have trouble finding this video, so that's why I'm going to play it on my channel. But first, I want to show you what led up to this video and why I think it's a pretty big deal and why I think Elon Musk could see some turmoil in the near future. So really quick, you can see the market is red again. A big thing for this is because Elon Musk was actually a tweet that actually started the crypto downturn a couple weeks ago was a tweet where he mentioned that Tesla is no longer accepting Bitcoin, and a big reason was because Bitcoin, he says, isn't environmentally friendly, and there basically needs to be a more efficient way. Until then, they're not accepting it. And then he started promoting Doge more, and basically that rubbed a lot of people the wrong way. There's a lot of FUD created in the market, and basically a lot of people withdrew their Bitcoin and sold it, and it caused the market to have a downturn. And then recently he tweeted some more stuff, such as Bitcoin breaking his heart, and things such as goods and services or the real economy. Any form of money is simply the accounting thereof. So it seems like he's backpedaling a lot, and Elon Musk is a smart person, and just a lot of the things don't add up. Basically him downplaying that whole, hey, Bitcoin is really, not energy efficient, when a lot of energy that's used to mine Bitcoin is actually from renewable energy. So you would think someone like Elon Musk would know that, and this video that Anonymous made actually exposes some of that and thinks that this was well timed, and basically he's catering to the government so he can still get these government handouts to help Tesla. So we'll go ahead and play this video. Y'all can fast forward it. I'll have timestamps as well if you want to hear my thoughts afterwards.
Greetings, citizens of the world. This is a message from Anonymous for Elon Musk. For the past several years you have enjoyed one of the most favorable reputations of anyone in the billionaire class, because you have tapped into the desire that many of us have to live in a world with electric cars and space exploration. But recently your carefully created public image is being exposed, and people are beginning to see you as nothing more than another narcissistic rich dude who is desperate for attention. It appears that your quest to save the world is more rooted in a superiority and savior complex than it is in actual concern for humanity. This has been obvious to your employees for a long time, who have faced intolerable conditions under your command for years. It is also obvious to the young children working in your overseas lithium mines, which are destroying the local environment as well. You have been open about your willingness to stage coups in order to install dictators in places where your toxic products are being mined. You have even prematurely crowned yourself Emperor of Mars, a place where you will be sending people to die. Your fanboys overlook these issues because they are focused on the potential good that your projects can bring to the world, but you are not the only show in town, and your competition is growing more intense with each passing day. There are plenty of other companies working on space exploration and electric vehicles. You are just the only CEO who has gained a cult following through shitposting and trolling the world on social media. In fact, many people are now learning that the vast majority of Tesla's income doesn't actually come from selling cars. It comes from government subsidies, selling carbon tax credits for your innovation with clean energy. This technically isn't your innovation though, because you aren't actually the founder of Tesla. You simply purchased the company from two people much more intelligent than you are, Martin Eberhard and Mark Tarpenning. Tesla has also made more money holding Bitcoin for a few months than they did in years of selling cars. It is also more than likely that this Bitcoin was purchased with money from these government subsidies. It is now widely believed that you have been forced to denounce your company's involvement with Bitcoin in order to keep that green government money flowing into Tesla's coffers. The energy use argument about proof of work mining is a very nuanced conversation that requires a fairly complex understanding of how power grids work, and how excess energy is wasted by power companies, and sought out by crypto miners. This is a conversation that you have been having for over a year and were intimately aware of, but as soon as your main source of income was threatened you pretended to be clueless in an attempt to play both sides of the fence. Then, your move to create a Bitcoin miner council was rightly seen as an attempt to centralize the industry and take it under your control. Reading from the comments on your Twitter posts, it seems that the games you have played with the crypto markets have destroyed lives. Millions of retail investors were really counting on their crypto gains to improve their lives. This is something that you will never understand because you were born into the stolen wealth of a South African apartheid emerald mine and have no clue what struggle is like for most of the working people in the world. Of course, they took the risk upon themselves when they invested, and everyone knows to be prepared for volatility in crypto, but your tweets this week show a clear disregard for the average working person. As hard-working people have their dreams liquidated over your public temper tantrums, you continue to mock them with memes from one of your million-dollar mansions. You may think you are the smartest person in the room, but now you have met your match. We are anonymous. We are legion. Expect us.
So that's the video, and as you can see, they definitely did their research with Elon Musk and basically researched a lot of stuff for him. So that's the biggest thing right now, is just Elon Musk has a big magnifying glass on him right now, and a lot of people are not liking what he's doing, specifically just how much he's trolling and basically his reverse stance on crypto, specifically Bitcoin. So again, it's going to be interesting to see what happens with this. I don't know if a lot's going to happen with Elon Musk, but again, he's blanked out his profile pictures, so it'll be interesting to see what happens. I think the crypto market's definitely going to bounce back from this. I think, again, it's just another FUD thing that was happening, and similar to 2017, there's a lot of FUD. This year, it's just different FUD with different celebrities. So I think definitely crypto's going to bounce back, but again, it was just a bump in the road, and again, it's going to be interesting to see what happens from this. But with that, if you all have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you want to follow me on Twitter, go ahead and follow me at the CryptoData. I'm going to leave a link to the video in the description and in the comments. So if you have any other questions besides that, please let me know. But with that, till next time, thanks for watching.